Did you know you can reggae slide without leaving your sofa? Let's boogie! Ever tried doing the reggae slide after a little too much rum? Yeah, it's as hilarious as it sounds. Welcome to Reggae Hour. Today we're diving into the top 5 reggae albums that'll turn your living room into a dance floor. First up, Bob Marley's legend classic vibes to get those hips swaying. Next, Toots and the Maytals with Funky Kingston, guaranteed to make you move. Don't miss out on Jimmy Cliff's The Harder They Come, it's pure gold. Fourth, we've got Burning Spear's Marcus Garvey Deep Grooves for days. And last but not least, Steel Pulse's Handsworth Revolution, it'll have you dancing in no time. So what are you waiting for? Grab your friends, or just your living room furniture and join the Reggae Dance Challenge. Follow Reggae Hour on streaming services. Your feet will thank you.